the waste makers. There are loads of different types of waste. Each type of waste has different origins and different solutions. Most of the waste that we create in our households that we turn into resources by choosing to put them into our recycling bins is packaging. So stuff that wraps around stuff, that contains stuff, that brands stuff. This is the stuff that makes it easy to transport, to display, to sell, and to store other stuff. And a lot of packaging only has one life, one use between when it's made and when it becomes waste. And a lot of this packaging is actually made up of blended materials like waxed cardboard for coffee cups or foiled biscuit packets. And this can make it hard or even impossible to recycle them. No news here. But what might be news to you is that lots of people hate this. So many people are moving away from single-use stuff and wasteful packaging and moving towards being plastic-free in their homes, schools, and workplaces. Now this is good news. Smart companies are thinking about how they can reduce the packaging around their products and minimal packaging that is made from recycled stuff and can then be recycled. People are refusing things like single-use plastic straws and plastic bags, taking their own cutlery. People are rethinking how they get takeaway food. They're refilling water bottles and carrying keep cups. Kids are having wrapper-free lunches at school. All of this drives companies to change how they do things. But we need more. We need companies to change their relationship to waste now, sooner, faster, and we need them to lead. State governments are releasing their waste management strategies, and all of them agree that the first thing we need to do is to reduce our waste. I can do what I can, and so can you. But businesses and companies need to be all over this. They need to step up and make change and not wait to be instructed or for a ban or change in legislation or even worse, be dragged kicking and screaming about a change that we all know is absolutely necessary. A change that is going to write a better story for everyone's kids. Dear companies and businesses, we need you to lead, and we need you to do it now. If you have any great stories, any good news about packaging or how to create less waste, or links to incredible inspirational world leaders, please share them here and help us create a bank of the best and show that better change is happening right now.